Sprint planning update. Major progress on contract listing in EVM, Explorer and API development. Hello, BlockDAG community. We are thrilled to bring you the latest sprint planning update from our development team. This session was a game changer as we laid the foundation for exciting new features with the spotlight on contract listing in the EVM Explorer. These upcoming changes will revolutionize how users interact with smart contracts on the BlockDAG network, making the platform more intuitive and transparent than ever before. Let's break it down step by step. Contract listing wireframes, a whole new experience. Our design team has been laser-focused on creating the wireframes for the contract listing interface, and the results are impressive. The new interface will transform the way users navigate and engage with smart contracts on BlockDAG's EVM. Here's a sneak peek of what's in store. Contract listing overview. A comprehensive, easy-to-read snapshot of all contracts deployed on the BlockDAG EVM. From deployment to interaction, everything will be just a click away. Detailed contract view. Every contract will have an in-depth view showing key details such as contract metadata, associated interactions, and transactional data. Contract transaction details. A complete log of every transaction linked to a specific contract ensures a transparent and auditable transaction trail for developers and users alike. Internal transfer. Tracking. Gain visibility over all internal token transfers within each contract, making it easier to trace token flows and balance movements. ERC20. Token contracts. A separate category for ERC20 contracts, allowing users to easily differentiate standard tokens from custom contract deployments. Contract address details. A powerful tool for analyzing a contract's full activity. This feature offers a holistic view of the contract's metrics, transaction history, and related data from a single address. API development in full swing, real-time contract listing. While the design team is fine-tuning the visuals, our development team has been sprinting ahead with API development for the contract listing feature. We're happy to announce that the API infrastructure is well underway, which will allow real-time data exchange between the back-end and front-end. Here are the key API endpoints that will power the contract listing screen. All right, let's dive into the token list API. The endpoint for this is get/API/tokens. Now, there are a few parameters you can use here. First, we have page, which is optional and used for pagination when you're dealing with large data sets. Next, there's limit, also optional. This one lets you specify the number of tokens to display per page. You can choose from 10, 20, or 50. Then we have sort by, another optional parameter. You can sort tokens by rank, price, or volume. Finally, there's filter, which is again optional. This allows you to filter tokens by name or symbol. Moving on to the token details API. The endpoint for this one is get/API/tokens/token_IDD. The main parameter here is token_ID. This is the unique ID or symbol that represents the token. And lastly, we have the Search Tokens API. The endpoint for this is get/API/tokens/search. The key parameter here is query. You can input the name or symbol of the token to get instant search results. Token Holders API. Endpoint get/API/tokens/token_IDDs/holders. Parameters token ID, the unique ID or symbol representing the token. Page optional. Paginate through results for ease of browsing. What's coming next? Get ready for major features. We are only scratching the surface of what's to come. The contract listing feature is poised to redefine user engagement with BlockDAG. Supported by robust APIs and an intuitive interface, users can expect real-time data updates and effortless navigation, making it a dream for both developers and blockchain explorers alike. In addition to these enhancements, our UI/UX team is working hard to optimize the user interface. Their goal is to make the Explorer as seamless and accessible as possible for all types of users, from casual enthusiasts to seasoned developers. Bonus features, lottery and reflection contracts. But that's not all. While the contract listing feature takes center stage, we've also made tremendous progress on lottery contracts and reflection contracts. Both are in the final stages of development, with most of the back-end completed and the front-end nearing perfection. These exciting smart contract features will be included in our next major demo, showcasing the full power of the BlockDAG contract platform. We can't wait to share these innovations with our stakeholders and the wider community. Wrapping up, we're entering an exciting phase of development with these upcoming features. The contract listing interface, enhanced API support, and the introduction of lottery and reflection contracts are all paving the way for a new era of smart contract capabilities on the BlockDAG network. We appreciate your continued support and look forward to sharing even more exciting updates in the near future. Keep an eye out for our next sprint planning recap, where we'll delve deeper into these groundbreaking features. Stay connected. Make sure to follow us on our official channels for all the latest news and developments. The future of smart contracts on BlockDAG is bright, and we can't wait for you to be part of it. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for being an essential part of the BlockDAG community.